Everyone, Bianca's literally lazy. She didn't do any of this. This is her nephew and her. That's her nephew. He's so handsome. Can you see him?
Santiago, look at your mom.
Santiago. Santiago. Wow, he's so handsome. Santiago. Okay, now bye.
Today's been pretty gloomy. As you can see, I'm still laying in bed. I've been up here and there, you know. Raining all day. It's actually been getting a lot worse throughout the day. A lot of flooding going on right now. I mean, I was supposed to leave to go hang out with somebody. I was also supposed to go to the movies, but that's not happening anymore. Because, as we've already established, my sister just called me saying all the above. And my Ariana was just like, where the fuck is Ariana? I don't know. Ariana's at one of her friends' houses and she's like, it's really bad up here too. Everyone else that lives here is gone. They're at their friend's house. They're going to their grandma's. They're just not here. It leaves me and Colin the baby. I don't know where she is. Oh, there she is. It's 6:30. It's 6:30 and this has been it. My umbrella that was in my car that Ariana decided to throw in my trunk when we had to bring her dog to the vet. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. He's soon to get his balls cut off because, sorry I keep moving, like I'm just trying to, this is the only light I have turned on right now. As y'all already know, he got 2 of our dogs pregnant and we have all girls except him, obviously. And we cannot have more puppies. No. I mean, this could just be, there I am moving again. His appointment is on Ariana's birthday. Another thing she's supposed to be getting done, sorry Ariana. I mean, you're probably not even watching this video, so you're not even gonna hear me roast you. She's supposed to be getting her license, and we all know this. We've all heard me talk about how I'm done driving them, how I'm done, like, she's old enough. Like, I literally got my license when I was in high school still. I got it as soon as I could without taking the classes. And she's over here about to be turning 19 and still no license. Swears she's gonna be a passenger princess forever, but little does she know, I'm done. I'm this close to just say, fuck you, I'm not driving you anymore. The wind is winding. I could always make some coffee because I have, actually I don't know when my creamer expires. but we should probably do that before it does. I need to put my laundry away that I've been holding off for the last 2 days. Don't know why, so don't ask. Time routines, clearly. I mean, I took a shower earlier today because I thought I was gonna leave. I need to clean my bed sheets, that's what I need to do. But because we can't do anything else. We can't do anything else. So the first thing we're gonna do, unmute that. Unmute it. We're gonna watch some Bob's Burgers. Get a little elevated. Listen to this wind hit the damn house like fucking crazy. And yeah. TMZ. Matthew and wife Camila on. Oh, it was a flight. Not fight, I cannot read. I've been to the hospital after plummeting thousands of feet. Oh gosh, from severe turbulence, that's crazy. That's everyone's fucking fear as soon as they fucking book the damn flight. This is random, but I want to change some of these pictures out because obviously some of these pictures I'm just like done with. It's like I'm even up there. Like, you see this? You see this? Wait. You see this? Yeah, that's me. And the people who know. Where else is me? Right there. Right there. I want to start not doing crazy collabs, but I want to start doing collabs. I have a couple friends that I feel like they want to start making videos, posting, doing what they gotta do. I think it'd be fun to do a little collab here and there. I don't really have a niche on YouTube or like any platform, I think personally. I mean, I don't know, maybe you guys could tell me different. Isn't it crazy how I think I got a decent, oh my god, I just keep going from random thought to random thoughts. How my brain works, alright? But I think my teeth aren't terrible. I mean, like, they look decent to me. But it's really, like, my top teeth at least. Like, my top teeth look fine in my opinion. They kind of look yellow in this light. I swear to God. I swear they're not. It's my bottom 4 teeth. I guess from, like, my canines to, like, the front. Like, they're just, like, I don't know, you, like, see that gap right there? And then that one? Like, it could easily be closed if these two would just and give my two bottom front ones just a little space. I'm hearing too many noises coming from the house. Calm down. Calm the fuck down. But we're gonna watch some TV and try to relax now, so. Drink some sweet tea.
I said our pumpkins will be bumping together. Yep, great, got it. Hold this to yourself, Teddy. So I did it. I brought the tissues with the lotion. Here.
Today I'm cleaning out my car. This whole morning I've been scrolling on TikTok, just not being productive whatsoever. And I mean, this could be done. This could easily be done. So that's what we're gonna do. I have all these dogs near me and they're going crazy. Get out of my way. Put my skateboard in here from when I went skateboarding to Kira. Yeah, that's garbage. I remember getting McDonald's. So many fucking water bottles. They're just not done. I will take pictures. least I folded the laundry, you know? I got it out of the baskets. But now it all has to get put up. And that's the last thing I need to do. Everything's finally done. Feel a lot better. Other than needing to do a few dishes, but I'm not gonna do those until another day. I'm gonna be editing, working the rest of the day. My mom got me a drink, and yeah, that was the video. I don't really know what to make of it, but today's a sunny day, new day. Feels good. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. I hope you do as well. I hope you're having a great day, great night, great week, whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.